Okay, guys, what if I have gained admission into the university? So how do I assess this my admission? How do I accept this my admission? So that is what we are going to be diving into today. I'm going to teach you guys. I'm going to be teaching. I'm going to be guiding you. I'm going to be letting you know how to accept your admission or reject your admission. This is very simple because of JAMB new policies that they have made in place. I'm going to make some statements now. First of all, how do I see my admission? The last video I made on how to access CAPS, go and look at it so you will see how to see your admission. I'm also going to still dive into that area. I'm going to show you how to see your admission before you accept. But I'm going to be very quick. I won't make any, I'm going to be very, very quick about it. So you go to your Chrome and you search for your JAM portal. Then you click on login. When you click on login, you put your email address and your JAM password, your JAM email address and your JAM password. Then you log in. When you log in, you click on the last box, which is check admission status. When you click on the check admission status box, you click on access my caps. Look at the access my caps. Don't click on check admission status. Just you click on access my caps. When you click on access my caps, your this thing will open, your caps will open. Then you click on regular admission status. When you click on regular admission status, you will see that they have kindly given you admission. But now they wrote something here that is very interesting. They say kindly accept or reject your admission using 55019 or 66019. That means I cannot accept and reject my admission on my JAMB cards. Why? That is the question we're asking. JAMB, why? So today I'm going to teach you how to do this to accept your admission using the SMS method. That is the current method now we're using to accept admission. So this year, so students are going to be in confusion, in dynamic confusion. But if you have watched this video already, you are not going to be in confusion because you know how to accept your admission before you have gotten admission. So now, how are we going to accept admission? Let's say my admission is showing now because what is here is medicine and surgery, and it's showing accept or reject. What I'm going to do, as I have looked at it here, I will just log out. I will just log out on my this thing, my JAMB caps. I will log out. When I log out, I will close my Chrome. The next thing I will do is I will go to my SMS because this is the SMS method. This is the only method that is approved now. So I will go to my SMS, my messages. Now, when I go to my messages, I will look for 55019. I will text 55019. 55019. You can use 55019 or you can use 66019. I will just, or you will just start a new message, but start chat. You understand? You start chat, you put 55019. You can change the SIM, either SIM 1 or SIM 2. So I'll put 55019 and I will click. A new message box will open. When a new message box open, the next thing I will do is to write accept. Mind you, I have seen my admission in my JAMB class before now. So I'll just text accept to 55019 and I will send. I will have to have 15 error in my in my account, and I will also borrowed card does not work for this. If I also want to reject my admission, I can just write reject. Then I will send it to 55019. I will just click send, and they will send me a message and say that this admission has been rejected. If I accepted it, they will say this admission has been accepted. Now, note something very important. If you lost your phone number, this method will not work for you because you have to retrieve your phone number. If you're having issues with your phone number, this is the right time you need to go and look for, to go and make sure you resolve that issue So if you don't have your phone number, this method will not work for you. Therefore, if you don't have your phone number in your 2025 admission, my brother or sister, you have lost that admission already. It's either you guys retrieve that SIM card or you forfeit that admission. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos like this, just drop your comments on my comment box, and don't forget to like and share to your family members, your brothers or sisters, and to the JAMB bites, because this information are very vital for them. Thank you very much.